plate. We don't have to waste your
Going. Enemy spotted.
James. Really?
Set food, man. We got
I
us a
was
fight.
reloading in the
No,
sky, right?
No, I
And
need the armor plate.
Okay.
Just
You'll
kidding.
be
Are
alright.
you serious? Don't be like
I
Andreas.
was just kidding.
That would be Andreas.
I just popped an armor plate. How do you feel? Oh, there's an
Found
armor
somebody
plate right
else.
here, though.
Wow.
There's a ram
Assault
right
rifle
there.
I mean, oh, no, that was you. Sorry, it just sounded like somebody.
Lasered him?
And maybe that was him.
Target down. Enemy UAV overhead.
How do you feel? I stole your loot. Okay, no, I didn't steal your loot. I'm sorry, Alex. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Lasered
Okay,
him?
that was toxic. When I said that, bro, I think that was karma.
Lasered?
Right there.
Going there.
On me, on me.
I'm on you.
He's running. Got him. You could buy a loadout.
Let's go get a
Yeah,
loadout.
let's go.
Yeah.
Drop me your cash. Or some of it.
Yeah, I need an armor bundle, so. Yeah.
Just drop me
Yeah, I'll
5k. I'll have enough. Actually, yeah. No, not 5k, but yeah, let's go.
Wait, do you want to stack? Wait, do you need an armor bundle?
Loadout drop on the way.
I'm no.
I just got more
Oh, yeah,
cash.
probably. Just drop me one. Nothing, just getting started.
Found some body armor. Body armor here. Moving.
You can't use the phones anymore. People.
Enemy spotted.
We
I have
could
the-
just camp this down. Wait, hold on. You could just go up top of here. I'm going up top.
Did you get your sniper loadie or nah?
Nah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use my sniper loadie a lot.
Yeah, you're a good sniper. Oh,
I'm like the HDR Lucci.
It made me
bro.
auto run off.
I'm like the
Yeah.
HDR Lucci. Come on. Guy.
Yeah. The HDR is the best Warzone sniper.
Not safe.
But Lucci uses the car because he can hit so many headshots.
Yeah. People sometimes use the AX50 with VLK 3.0 just for like.
Yeah,
the
that's just
memes.
weird.
Like this dude does, he does like, I don't even know. He does like, is it underrated unordinary weapons of Warzone? He always tries to get AX50 with VLK 3.0 wins. He's never got one, I think.
Mm-mm.
Like that's his only gun in his loadout. Someone's coming over here.
Moving. Enemy vehicle.
The car. I hit him out of the car! I'm
Bro,
clipping
stop capping, bro. I saw you hit the car.
Yeah, the first try. Bro, but did you see the clip that I sent you? I hit him, right?
Recon activated.
I
Yeah, you
hit him,
did.
right? Yeah, I'll send that to you again, huh? I'll send you another one just now.
Recon activated in Superstore just down.
I wasn't capping. I'm not capping, okay? Trust.
I just saw you hit the car and I thought you was capping.
Yeah, the first time. The first time.
No,
I hit
the
the
whole
car.
time I meant. I believe you, but just it looked like you hit the car. The Origin 1 taps and I put 25 round drum mags on it.
Mm. Yeah, it's so easy to slide cancel. Dude, watch me.
Yeah.
But you can't, like, I can only do it once, like, and then I have to text me. Kind of hard.
But except there's one where people don't jump, they just stand up. That's what most people
Yeah, that's PC
Let's just
players,
keep
right?
camping it. Right here! That one. The other's laser. I'm jumping them.
He's one shot. He's one shot. He's one shot.
Got him. I jumped him. Like I jumped behind him while
Bro,
you
he
were
was literally one
spraying.
shot.
Yeah.
How do I have 0
But
kills?
then, I don't know. I kind of stole that kill. Don't.
Nah. I wouldn't call that a steal.
Wait. Yay.
Using a riot shield. UAV.
People west.
I got UAV.
You don't pop it yet. Pop it
Okay.
when we're going to get our loadout. I'm telling you, this growl is the best.
Yeah.
And there's been people all game. Oh, car, just stay right here. Wait for them to get there. Wait for them to start buying stuff.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
This dude's honestly dumb. He obviously heard us. Why did he
Okay.
still go for it?
I'll drive.
Should I pop the UAV?
Gas is closing in. Relocate.
Actually, no, we got a car, don't pop it. We need the car to go back. I've both sticks. I've had them for a while.
Wow. Yeah, I remember. You got him. That gun is so loud, whoever.
I will drive.
Yeah, that ain't LMG. Oh wait, it's not in zone anymore. It's not in zone anymore. Let's just camp on top of Superstore. Alright, let's just camp on top of
Friendly UAV.
Hey, nobody's here.
Here, we could zone camp these kids. There's two teams this way. We could zone camp them.
That was a terrible pop.
No, it was good, so we could zone camp these two teams.
No, it wasn't really useful though.
Okay, up there.
Tango spotted. Contact.
Snipe him.
Losing ground.
Hit him, cracks.
Hit him a couple times.
Downed him.
His teammate ain't going for that res.
Yeah, he is sniping.
Just keep zone camping.
so.
Oh,
I wanna-
this water's right here.
I want to finish him. I'm sorry.
Hey, it's fine, bro. Oh no, he's in a car. Yeah, let's not go for him.
Got you.
Hey, there we go. Give me any sniper bullets?
He's trying to rotate. He's not rotating.
Well, mark him if you
He's
see
not
him.
getting in zone. He's south. He's in that building.
South? In that building?
Going there.
Oh no, he's still rotating southwest.
I don't see him.
I don't see him anymore, but I think he ran away from us.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop my stopping power rounds on my
Right
MP7
there.
right now.
You could snipe him, I bet.
I don't see him.
Oh, never mind. Just that. Let's
Is
go
he
this way.
behind the rock?
Just forget about him now.
Where?
He was AFK, I think.
Target down.
I just was shot. Whoa! He hit me with the sniper.
Is this fucking Lucci? His peaks are kind of insane. Yup.
Where?
Is that Lucci?
Where?
He's running away now.
Yes, he's not Lucci if he's running.
I'm gonna pick up that loot. I need armor.
I have 5. Oh, he jumped up.
Oh, all he had was a pistol.
Swear to God, I heard somebody.
That was me.
No, it wasn't you.
Yo,
It
if
was
you don't have,
Got some tacticals.
you don't have a heartbeat.
I do.
Like,
I'll go first.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm just
You can
pass.
buy UAV in a precision.
No, I'm not risking that though. Over the snipers!
Come on.
You got this.
Can I hit my
Gas is
shots?
closing in.
Now I need
Locating the
armor.
safe zone.
I'm not peeking them. I
You
only
got
have
it.
2 armor plates.
We need armor. Oh,
Enemy vehicle.
Hit him over there.
Vendor here if y'all move it. Stop.
Hit him again, cracked.
Yo, jump off with me.
But he's 1 shot.
Yeah, that's why we're going.
That's why we're going. He's literally 1 shot the guy that I was shooting.
Yeah, that's why we're rushing, so we could kill him.
Hey! Hey, help!
I'm not near you. Just run.
Top of there.
Right there. Tango
I
spot.
have no armor plates, and I can't shoot him, and he's wallbanging me.
I'm coming over there.
Well, I don't know what to do. He has an RPG.
Where is he?
I marked.
You've got gas moving in.
I had to go.
Man, we got us a fight.
Are you serious? Are you
Nothing
serious?
sucked.
Safe zone. Let's go.
Are you really serious? Really? Oh, on me? He's rushing?
Enemy team is tracking
I'm
your
going up
position.
top, bro.
I have no armor. Why am I doing this? Right over there, I think.
I'm going.
You see him?
No, I don't know where anyone is.
45 meters that way.
I'm going up
Now
top.
it's
airport, follow
northeast.
me.
I don't know where the...
Oh no, don't come up, don't come up! Don't come up!
Why did he...
There's people lasering it. Alright, now. How did you make it in? Wait.
Found some body armor.
Bro, I can't believe we rotated,
Got a
bro.
vendor here if y'all need to restock.
I'm buying an armor box. Or should we both buy an armor sack? Or should we both buy an
Armor box.
bundle?
Because I have an armor satchel.
Round one.
Planting charge.
The other's low.
Can you wallbang the tent?
I lasered him. His shield's off. I bet we could rush.
I think there's other teammates in there.
Overhead.
Oh shoot! I landed on the side!
Got him. Nice. He had an armor box and a satchel. Box right here. I'll drop it if you need it.
Armor satchel over there, by the way.
Did I drop it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pop a
Come in action.
UAV.
Request flyover.
Good pop. Down one.
On top of airport, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone
Why
located.
is he staying over there? Why is he staying in the gas?
Charge.
Oh no! On me! On me! Oh! You could pick me up.
I killed him.
We need to move.
Nice.
Get ready.
The UAV was all messed up.
Now's the rest of my second
Enemy
power
dropping into
round.
the AO.
Or someone's dropping.
Over there,
On me.
and over on top.
I don't know where he is.
To the right!
Taking fire.
Found him.
You're safe. Watch the enemy trackers.
The other guy's on the right. I have tracker. What?
We have to rotate.
Wait, I hear him. 48 meters northeast.
You've got gas
Over there.
We had to rotate.
And he's
to the
rotating
open,
to the left of
course.
my marker. He's going straight ahead.
Is he in the open? Oh, you're in the
No.
open.
If you're out of the zone, you better get moving.
So am I though.
Sniper! I can't mark. I can't
On
mark.
top
That's
of airport.
right there.
Oh shoot, I see him. How are we supposed to do this? I'm rotating this way.
Hit him. I hit him.
You gotta keep rotating.
Did.
Yo, don't stay still, don't stay still.
I didn't know there's people over there. I didn't know there's people over there.
Are you behind cover?
Sit, fool, man. We got us a fight. Taking fire.
Are you joking me? I got no spares.
Oh, gulag.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
Yeah,
Surviving earns them redeployment.
I had to grab your armor. I'll drop you some when you get
Your
there.
teammate got a proper.
Or
He
goodbye.
was giving him
Get
call-outs.
it done.
And I had the M4A1, which has so much recoil. I'm not gonna have my loadout.
Oh no.
Enemy soldier incoming. Final deployment is making ready. Your window's closing fast. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Don't land on your loot.
Somebody's doing a recon. Oh no.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
I'm not landing
I
on
could buy
that.
you a loadout. I could buy you a loadout.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Can you pop the muni?
I have a muni. I have a muni.
Dropping ammo.
Now
Yeah,
you all
y'all
good.
need this.
I'm using my growl and my I'm using my growl and my
Do you have a suppressor?
yeah, and all of them. Oh, not on my origin because you told me not to. Remember?
Yeah. That's good. 10 teams left.
I'm running your growl right now. Pretty sure this
Got
is
gas
your
moving
growl.
in.
Except for the mine. Oh, top. Got him.
Do you have any armor?
Here, buy yourself some. Yeah, I'll drop
many?
you this for now. I'm gonna buy an
somebody
armor.
armor.
I'm gonna buy an armor bundle. You know, I'll buy 2. Oh, armor satchel right here. Armor
Got
satchel right
small
here.
cam.
Isn't he in there?
I'm going.
I already killed him. Just pick up the satchel.
Can I pick it up? There. Bro, so many people are running RPGs because you know why? He's a David Dobrik. I'm just saying, it's because of him. So much people have been using him.
Oh, they're upstairs.
Setting charge.
Downed one.
Target down.
Got him.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
I don't have ghosts, but
Oh.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I didn't touch her.
I'm not using the origin ever again. I'm sorry, it sucks.
What do you mean?
We'll be back to finish the job.
What do I
You guys
mean?
someone know it sucks.
Well, yeah,